crest right here. If you grab that crest, there she is. You take a hand and you pull her back, and you pull this way. How does that feel?
Feels really good.
Yeah, it feels really good.
It looks like it feels good.
That's my other steps. When I get ready to put her into triangle, inhale straight from the front leg. I put my foot right there in that crease. You don't have to do this. I'm just showing you what I do. Exhale, I pull her forward.
Awesome.
Take your toe. Here's the trick. This thigh has to go to that thigh, so she don't fall down. This hand has to go to the head of the femur rather, and send that energy through her heel. So when I put my weight on her and I got my thigh on her, you feel secure, don't you? Don't say lean back, lean back.